Hi everyone, welcome to the garage. I'm going to do a quick, dazzling that, seat box repair. The end panels, they always go. I'll show you this one in a second. I want to do a quick shout though to Defender Parts 15 on eBay, the seller on eBay. Move that around a bit. I ordered this yesterday, around lunchtime I think it was, and it arrived this morning, so top job on that one. I normally make these panels myself, but I haven't got any aluminium in. You can get away. What I have done before is used old floor panels and stuff like that, because it's the same aluminium. But also, if you can get an old floor panel that's the same colour as the seat box, you know what I mean. Usually you have minimal interior in Land Rovers, minimal carpet and stuff like that, but you usually have a floor mat or something covering the floor. And if you want your seat box to look pretty original, like it's not been messed around with, and obviously that's brand new aluminium, what you can do is, and if you ask around, somebody will have a floor panel in the same colour as your Land Rover. You can fold it out of that, and then you can try and keep some of the original patina and stuff like that. I've done it before and it works well. But yeah, this is getting resprayed. Plus it's going to have the extra trim carpet over the top of it. So, new panel, £22 few pence. Can't really complain too much. I'll take you off the stand in a second and show you around this one. It's a common fault, so right, give us a second. Right, this has gone in the usual areas that it does on this back edge there. The holes right out where they bolt to the steel sill underneath. The door's shut because they bolt onto the steel there. Yeah, they always go in the same places. So that repair there, I haven't 100% figured out what I'm going to do with that yet. If anybody knows anywhere that sells that bit, because it's got the little ridges in there, I don't think they're vital, to be honest. I really don't, but there's only one each end. But anyway, if anybody knows where somebody sells them, I'd be grateful. This panel, be wary of this. The new panels, they don't tend to come with that bit there where it dips down. It doesn't make a difference, to be fair. Once it's in, you'll not even notice it. And you have to note that this panel actually sticks out about there. It doesn't go to the edge like that. It goes like that. So what you've got a rivet there that's usually gone, a rivet there, and a few spot welds down there. If you've got the box in there as well, then you've got rivets going round and around here that hold the box in. Obviously you only need to undo these ones really, and probably that one, or drill out. Yeah, it's a simple enough job. So what I'll do, I'll get these drilled out. Sure, you don't need to watch me drilling out spot welds, and I'll come back and we'll get the other one lined up ready to go in. So with that off now, all I've done is drilled them few holes out down there. So with that out now, you can see how much has gone off it. All that's completely missing. So I'll keep that to one side for now, because I could use it for a template in future. I might start up making my own a bit more now. I might buy a sheet of aluminium and make a few up, and then I've just got them in stock ready to go. I'm not waiting around. So next thing to do is to line up. Let me put you on the stand. Put you on the stand. Somebody commented, I can't remember who it was, about it'd be better if I could have the camera up higher when I'm filming. Unfortunately, this is the highest stand I've got at the minute. I might look into it in the future. Right, so that goes on the inside of there like so, and like that. obviously it's got that films covering on it. All I want to do is mark up where them holes are. There, we get a pencil. Pencil, IKEA's finest. So, literally just gonna move that along there a little bit. That might. So all I want to do, I can't hold one bit. I can't hold both bits at the same time and the pencil. So make sure that's under there like that, and that's in that corner there. That'll hold it nicely just for now. All I'm trying to do is mark where them holes are. A little bit trickier than you'd have thought for some reason. I think it's just the angles of it. Right. Not that there, that there, that there, that there, and that there. I'll drill them holes out. Right, so it's shiny. Drilled some holes out there. They're 5mm holes to go with the rivets that I've got. Put that on there, line that up something like. I missed a hole there, but that doesn't matter. These will go over the top of there like that. Now what I will do, because obviously these holes should fit in there, they're supposed to be. There we go, yeah, will fit. These will plug them holes. Right, let me get my riveter. Right, let's see if I can do this properly. We're riveting there, like so. And just because it's what I've got at the time, we'll go with a hand riveter and see if that'll do it. Oh yeah, bugger. Wow, pow. Right, that hand riveter's left a little bit of rivet sticking out there, which I don't like. It's not quite sucked it up enough. But it'll do just for now, just so I can get this drilled out at the back here and get one in there. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make things a lot easier. This should make things a bit easier. Should. Put that one in there if it will go in. These things do make life a hell of a lot easier. That's it, job done. I've drilled a hole in there already, so that one can be riveted down. A couple in there. If you haven't got one of these rivet guns and you're working on a Land Rover, I do recommend it. They make life so much easier. Using closed cap rivets. So any gunk that you get underneath from off the road or off-roading or whatever, don't get into the rivet and then corrode it out. Well, I'll do that top one there. drill a hole. There, and because I've not got the spot welds in there, I'll put a couple extra rivets in. What you can do as well is use the panel bonding stuff in there and just put a couple of rivets in and bond it together. But let me get a couple more rivets. Say a couple more. One there, one there. One down there somewhere. Get on there, you little bugger. And that's that. I put an extra rivet in there as well, just to make sure. But I'll do that now. That out of the way, that's so I don't knock it flying, and that's it. Simple as that. There's what's that straightening up there? Yeah, no, I've just got to figure out a repair for that. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that, whether I'm just going to have to get a bit of aluminium, fold it and splice it in there. But you could try and get the rivets a bit straighter. But yeah, simple as that. In fact, what I'll do is I'll check that's going to fit. I know it's going to fit, but I'll put it in anyway. Right, there we go, there's one seat box. I'll go around the other side with the panel I've actually replaced. You don't even need to take the seat box out to do it. You can just take the panel out where it is and do it. You just need to undo the seatbelt mount at the bottom there. These fasteners that go through and what I've showed you on the bench there. So you don't need to take the seat box out at all to do it. So yeah, easy as that. Right, I've got a couple of projects coming in. I'll be doing videos on very soon, hopefully by the weekend. I'm still waiting on the wiring loom for numbnuts, but yeah, I've got those of you that follow me on Instagram, you'd have seen the next project coming in. Let me spin the camera around. Yeah, those of you that follow me on Instagram, you'd have seen the next project that's coming in. Like I say, coming in, it's here already. It's on the driveway. I've just got to get it moved around the back there. I've got another project coming Friday. Fingers crossed that gets delivered on Friday. I'll wait and I'll wait before I say anything else. I'll just wait until it gets here. I don't like to. Nothing's 100% set in stone until it's on my property. So. Yeah, that'll do for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Enjoy the glorious sunshine that you can no doubt see. It's blinding me now. This garage, having the clear plastic roof seemed like a good idea at the time, but it was 32 degrees in the shade yesterday in here. It was 22 degrees outside, so it was 10 degrees hotter in the shade in here. And I put the thermometer in the direct sunlight and it went up to 40 something. I think it was 42 degrees, and we haven't even hit the height of summer yet. So yeah, glass plastic roofs are not the best idea. Clear plastic roofs, should I say. I'm going to crack the doors open now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Instagram, CSM_retro_restorations. And I'll see you soon, probably the end of the week. Bye bye.